What's up, guys? This is Jeff from Backyard Water Garden. Just want to do a quick video here. It's spring. The temperature's still not where it should be. We're below average for the year right now. But I'm having a problem here. We've been invaded by this string algae. So what I'm going to do is over the next few days, I'm going to pick up some string algae remover or whatever I can find at my local pond outlet, and I will let you know how it goes. I'll give you a day-by-day update here, probably starting tomorrow. But yeah, we've had a lot of rain here. I don't think that's really helping too much, and you can see the top of my pond isn't really, my skimmer is not working because, come over here and check this out. I don't know if you can make that out, but the water level is above the inlet for my skimmer. So all the debris is just kind of sitting, floating on top. That's why I have those weird air bubbles and everything like that. So just keep in mind that even with a UV light, you will not get rid of this string algae. This stuff's terrible. And the problem with it is that it gets in my skimmer basket and I have to empty that out daily. If I do not, my pump will just about run dry, and that's not a good place to be, because if your pump runs dry, you could damage the pump, and I do not want to buy a new pump. So keep that in mind. I'll keep you updated as to my struggle with this string algae, and I hope you guys are all enjoying your ponds, or if you're just setting out to build one, check out backyardwatergarden.com and how to get that done. And I wish you all luck and enjoy the season, guys. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel, and I appreciate you. See you next time.